Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you a tour of Harbour View, and a lot of developments are happening in Harbour View. So the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project, it starts in Harbour View at the Harbour View Bridge and goes through St. Thomas and into Portland. This is a massive road project to build a highway from Harbour View to Portland, 140 kilometers of highway. So because of that now, it's opening up Harbour View to a lot of development. Now look on the right. That is a floating dry dock. Wow, they actually lifted up a ship. I had no idea it was operational. This is one of many developments in Jamaica. This is the first floating dry dock in Jamaica. I had no idea it was operational. So this dry dock, it can lift ships out of the water and repair them or just do regular maintenance. So that is a mega development for Harbour View, for Jamaica on a whole, and it's located over at the German ship repair yard in Harbour View. Now, on the right is a new gas station that was built because a lot more traffic is going to be using this road. Wow. I had no idea that I wanted to. Okay, we'll give you a tour of the dry dock in a little bit. Now on the left is some apartments, townhouses that are being built in Harbour View. I think they're finished actually. And then you have the Harbour View Plaza, which is also being renovated. Alright, let's go down and show you. Water Commission did some work out here to lay some new pipes. So the Harbour View Plaza has expanded, and they've refurbished the entire plaza. They've put in a Burger King, a KFC, a Pizza Hut. It's on its way to becoming one of the top plazas in Jamaica. There you can see the Burger King, that's new. And all of this is because of the highway. And then Harbour View, also the Harbour View roundabout takes you down to, this is the KFC, to the airport. The Norman Man takes you onto Palisade Strip that leads you to the airport and Port Royal. And also the Caribbean Maritime University is out there. And big things are going on for the airport is being expanded, the Caribbean Maritime University is being expanded, Port Royal is getting some new pipeline. A lot of developments going on out there. Now this side of the plaza, they actually are building some new structures. And Harbour View has a very large residential community. It's one of the largest residential communities in Jamaica. So this part of the plaza was also renovated, and then over here now they're building a new supermarket, the Shoppers Fair supermarket. They actually tore down the structure that was here and are in the process of building a new one. So a lot of developments for Harbour View. Now we're going to go back out onto the main road, and the German shipyard, that's where we saw the floating dry dock. They are actually expanding their facility, and another institution or company built a gas station out there. Now Harbour View actually has 2 total gas stations, and I think it's the only place in Jamaica where they have 2 of the same gas station beside each other. That's because Total bought out, who was it? Total bought out Esso, and they had a Total gas station out here and an Esso gas station. So when they bought out Esso, you ended up with 2 gas stations by the name Total. So we turn left there to go towards the new highway. This is a Harbour View roundabout. Turn left here and you go towards the airport. But we're going to go this way and show you the developments on this side. Alright, so this is the German ship repair yard on the left where you see that truck turning in. And then they are renovating or doing some construction over on this side, which is a lot directly beside where they are. And we are actually going to go in here. So they're using it as parking now, but it's going to... The plan is to have more than one dry dock in Jamaica. So over here you would have more dry docks, and then they would use the land over here for more facilities. So all of this area here is going to be developed, and then they've built a new gas station on just beside the shipyard. It's not associated with the shipyard, but it's just a new gas station that was built. But this, I think, is the biggest development that's going on out in Harbour View, this shipyard. So we'll keep you guys updated on all these developments. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.